Hi guys, Lucas here from Archetypon. On this video we are going to install both UIkit Pro and UIkit Plus. To install, just drag and drop the stack icon from the downloaded image to the RapidWeaver icon on the dock, and the same for the UIkit theme and the UIkit Plus. Now the package is ready to install, and click on the install button. Installation is ready. Now relaunch RapidWeaver. Now go to one of the packages and copy the resources folder to your computer. Into the resources folder you find many projects that will help you in developing your own project using UIkit for RapidWeaver. Now let's open one of these projects. Let's open the tests project. And in case you are using RapidWeaver Classic, you'll be prompted to upgrade the project. Click OK and continue. And now one last but important step is to check for updates. Click on Check Now, and we can already see that there are updates for UIkit Pro and Plus. Just click on Update, relaunch RapidWeaver, and you are ready to go. Alright, updates are done, and now you are super ready to begin developing pages with UIkit for RapidWeaver. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.